There's something special about this statement that we have here, and the easiest way to see that, or see what that is to make the truth table for it. So I'm going to make the truth table for this guy. So to do that, I'll need P, Q, if P then Q, not Q, if P then Q and not Q, and then not P, and then finally the whole statement. I'm cheating a little bit there, but the smartboard's a little tighter on space than I'd like it to be sometimes. I only have two simple statements, P and Q, so I'm only going to need 4 rows. Yes, I just did pause to count how many I had so far. It's easy to forget you have to draw one extra line. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Get these in here to break these up. Okay, underneath Q, I should alternate, true, false, true, false. Underneath P, true, true, false, false. If P then Q, so I'm looking at actually just my normal if then or conditional truth table. If true then true is true from the first row. If true then false is false from the second row. If false then true is true from the third row. And if false then false is true from the fourth row. Okay, if P then Q, great. Now I want to fill in not Q. So I'm looking over here at Q. I just want the opposite of that. So not true is false, not false is true, not true is false, not false is true. Okay. Next up, I want to take this and this and do the conjunction of them, the and of them. So I'm looking at these two columns and seeing when are they both true. That's when I'm going to put a true in that third, or in that next column. So true and false is false. False and true is false. True and false is false. True and true is true. Okay, so far so good. My next column is not P. Just need to look all the way back to the left at P. So this is going to be false, false, true, true. And now for my last column, I want to put together this, which I already have right here, and this that I have right here, together with the if-then, together with the conditional. So, look at your table for the conditional, follow along. If false, then false is true from the fourth row. If false, then false is true from the fourth row. If false, then true is true from the third row. And if true, then true is true from the first row. So it turns out that this statement is always true. No matter what the values of P and Q are, this is always true. A statement like this is called a tautology. So, a statement that is always true, and by that I mean the last column of its truth table. Sorry, the other its truth table is all T. So a statement that is always true is called a tautology. Tautology. Moreover, a conditional statement that is a tautology is called an implication. so tautology, a statement that's always true. A conditional statement that's a tautology is called an implication. So this is an implication because it is a conditional statement that's also a tautology. There's a word for a statement that is always false. So a statement that is always false is called a self-contradiction, or sometimes just a contradiction. Most statements that we deal with are neither tautologies nor contradictions, but they show up. They have special names. I thought I'd mention it.